everyone, so I'm excited to show you this one. It is a half up, half down, little twist braids, little bouffant pony. You're going to love it. Let's get started. Just halving the hair. So just literally breaking all this top section out of the way. And then we're going to just pin this hair out of the way for now. Let's get some back comb into this bottom section of hair. So we want the hair to really be standing away from the head. So taking it layer by layer. I have just done another style. So there is a little bit of back comb in there already, but I really want this to stand away. So use any spray you want to. You could use like the back comb powders if you like those. But just taking it layer by layer all the way down and spraying. So again, little piece of hair, so just watch this first bit for me. You're going to break it into two. So remember, it's this section now, and I always find this side harder. I'm right hand dominant. So you're twisting this section towards and crossing over. Adding in from both sides again, and you'll literally continue doing that like the other side all the way to the crown. So I'm releasing this other side now, just gently picking up both the braids, and then all we're going to do is place this hair into a ponytail, and then just placing in a bit more back comb. But if you've got enough hair here, you can just do a little trick with, you know, the claw clips that everybody's using at the moment. You want a little baby one of those. You can get them on Amazon or eBay, or even like your local supermarket sometimes stock them. But I'm just giving it a bit of help, just adding a little bit of back comb there, and then I'll just brush that out, and then we're going to flip it over, add our little clip, make sure there's no back comb showing. So that is my little clip. I've actually got a smaller one, but I can't find it, so we'll just cross our fingers that this will work. So I'm flicking up the ponytail like so, and then I'm going to put the teeth of this either side of the elastic, not higher up and not just underneath, either side here. So just taking my time and just wiggling that in like that, letting this hair come over, and then just taking your comb, making sure this hair's falling right. So this is the completed look. I think it looks so pretty from the side. I'm so glad we put in that base underneath. And then this is what it looks like from the back. And then you love how you've got like all this detail going into this little tiny half up ponytail. I think it just gives it that little bit of an edge. And then this is back to the front again. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.